Dale, did you bring any tools down with you? Alright?
Oh.
I'm no.
Have you?
What a brake season on it.
Oh, has
So I've took the pads out, I'm going to adjust it and try and get a bit better. So I need to go get some.
Cool.
Aye, the forest is a high. So is all the bugs,
Aye.
which will greatly increase. Who are you shagging? I'm going to win.
The lottery.
Bike's fucked. Oh, fucking back brake jammed on. So I'm lost. What?
I've got the pictures of this satellite.
Pictures or video?
Pictures.
Oh, fuck. You don't take a video?
Going back there.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Imagine you getting a video at the start. God, some photographer you are. Alright, okay. Oh, I've no pliers or nothing. Fuck, I need tools, man. How the hell have I come without tools? For fuck's sake. Right, Finball, I'm sorry. Right, puppy, you're alright. You're a good man. You're good. I know, but you are. Right. Wait a minute, we'll put that bag there, that might help.